Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Eureka Mignon Manuale. Remove the screw holding the hopper and give your hopper a good clean. Once you're done, remove the logo from the back and unscrew the nut. Remove the hopper lid so that you have access to the burr chamber. There are two nuts in the front, one for the portafilter holder and one just beneath the chute. Unscrew both of them. There are two small nuts near the grind adjustment dial, unscrew them as well. Remove the silicone covering. Mark and remember the position of the top burr. Unscrew the burr so that you have access to the lower burr. Now using a brush, give the top burr a good clean. Give the lower burr a good clean. Use a vacuum if necessary. Unscrew the ace declumper and remove any grounds that are stuck to the chute. Once done, assemble the top burr back in the same alignment as it was before. Install the declumper, the silicone covering on top of the chute, and the front plate. Screw back the portafilter holder and finally the nut below the chute. Fasten the top plate, assemble the hopper, the back screw, and finally the logo. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.